Hello everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by two beautiful ladies, Angela's Hangout and Inspiredby. They are hosting the My Favorite Space collaboration. In this collaboration, they just wanted us to share our favorite space in our home and tell why we picked this particular space. Now, my favorite space in my home is my kitchen. I love that I have it organized how I want it to be by using different organizers that I picked up from Luvs. And it holds different utensils as well as my flatware. And I also have a drawer here that holds all of my spices, and I got this idea from Nikki at Home with Nikki. This works very well. I can easily go from stove back to the drawer. Now, my main reason for this being my favorite space, each and every one of my cabinets have this pull-out drawer. Love this feature about this kitchen. And everything has a place. Now, I'm going to do a little cleaning today, and I'm using this multi-surface Swifter spray. I have had a hard time finding this spray, but I have found it in my Dollar General. I love to use this spray to give my stainless steel a quick wipe down. Plus the fact this spray smells so good. It has that Gain scent in it, so it smells like fresh laundry. So here I am wiping down my microwave, my range. I even did my refrigerator and my dishwasher. This works very well on stainless steel. I gave my rugs a wash. I'm placing my rugs back in place. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I love the color red, so I have that throughout my kitchen area. And then my hubby purchased these new bar stools for me for Mother's Day. Check that color out, guys, in red. Love these bar stools, and they have that nail head all around them. Now here is a small tour of my favorite space, my kitchen. This is my kitchen nook area. Now my kitchen has a chef theme. Love this theme. These pictures my hubby purchased a few years ago. I'm gonna say about 3 years ago. And I've been rocking with this theme ever since. I love it. I love the chef theme. I even have chefs on top of my cabinets. Now, your girl has to have some bling. So we've changed out the light fixtures in the kitchen. Have that little chandelier over my sink area that I picked up from Home Depot. There's my pineapple fan that is a necessity. And I'm going to leave it at that. This is on the other side of my kitchen sink with my Mrs. Meyer's products that I order from Grove Collaborative. In the corner there, I have a little inspiration picture that I received as a gift from Christy C. The canisters there, love those canisters. Picked them up from Kirkland's. These mitts and pot holder, they came from Christy C. Also, love that red, and I also love that damask print. On the other side of my range houses my KitchenAid mixer, and I have these tiered dessert stands that I keep cookies and all kind of treats in. One is empty right now, so I do need to refill. And moving over is my coffee station that I just love. This is one of my favorite spots to go to, my hubby's favorite spots to go to in the mornings. First thing in the mornings, we come here to have our coffee. Keurig is red, mugs are red, have a few flowers in red. Got that red theme going in my kitchen. That's my favorite color, guys, that red. And down that hallway there, the closet doors you see, that's my laundry closet, and across from that is a walk-in pantry. Now right here next to my coffee station, I have this sign here, also sent by Christy C, as well as those coffee pictures there and those chef men. They were a gift also from my girl Denise Harlan. Down below that is a ottoman that I'm planning on getting rid of. I need to do a little purging of that ottoman. It houses some candles and more candles. Now my most favorite spot in the kitchen is my kitchen island. I love to decorate this space, do a little vignette here on the kitchen island. I also love to sit here and watch videos, eat a little snack. It's one of my favorite spots to sit in during the day. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I would like to thank Angela's Hangout and Inspiredby for hosting such a great collaboration. I had fun participating in this collaboration. Please go over and check out these wonderful ladies' channels. You will love them. They have wonderful content on their channels. They will also post a playlist, which once it is available, it will be placed in my description box down below, as well as the links to their channels. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can also be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.